Hoy os voy a enseñar a hacer un collar con un frasco miniatura para dar un toque vintage y romántico a todos vuestros looks, seguro que os va a encantar y además es muy fácil, así que vamos allá.
It's time to start over again. Look out for some clover again. I'll have to start yoga or zen. I'm going to smile when I wake up. Get out of my lazy bed. I finally figured it out, and now I know what it's about. I'll open the shutters and shout until the town settle down, 'cause he's out of my crazy head. He's gone away. The man is gone.
Lo primero que voy a hacer va a ser pegar con pegamento el tapón al frasco para que no se abra.
So dump the man quickly as you can. Leave the frying pan. It's time to start over anew. I guess it's been long overdue. I'm glad I got out of the zoo. I'm going to smile when I wake up. Get out of my lazy bed. Just like I said, he's out my head. It's time to start over.
Lo siguiente que voy a hacer va a ser pintar el enganche del color del bote. Entonces para ello he comprado un spray plateado. Que la silicona ya está caliente, ya solo nos queda pegar el enganche al tapón.
No more of that muddling through. I'm going to bid heartache adieu. I'm going to smile when
Le ponemos la cadena
get out of my lazy
y voilà.
bed. Just like I said, he's out my head. It's time to start over again. It's time to start.
Espero que os haya gustado y que nos veamos prontito en el próximo vídeo. Besos.
I guess it's been long.